Teacher, can I ask you something?
Of course. What are you curious about?
I saw a picture of a comet. It had a really long tail.
Oh, yes. Comets can have beautiful tails.
But then I saw an asteroid, too. It looked like a big rock floating in space.
That's right.
So, are comets and asteroids actually the same thing?
That's a really good question.
They're both rocks in space, right?
Well, not exactly.
Then what's the difference?
Great question. Let's find out what comets and asteroids are made of, and why some of them can grow a tail.
Wait, so why does a comet have a tail in the first place?
That's the fun part. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, I'm ready.
Then let's begin.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what is flying through space? Today, we're going to learn about two amazing space objects, comets and asteroids. First, let's talk about a comet. A comet is made of ice, dust, and rock. When a comet travels far away from the sun, it looks like a small, dark object. But when it gets closer to the sun, something amazing happens. The sun heats the ice on the comet. Some of the ice changes into gas, and dust and gas spread around the comet. This creates a bright cloud called a coma. And sometimes a long tail appears. That's why we often see comets as beautiful, glowing objects in the night sky. Now, what about an asteroid? Asteroids are mostly made of rock and metal. They are usually much more like big, rocky objects floating through space. Many asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike comets, asteroids usually don't develop a bright coma or tail when they get close to the sun. So, what's the biggest difference? Comets are icy, dusty, and rocky, while asteroids are mainly rocky and metallic. And here's something really interesting. As a comet travels around the sun, it can leave tiny pieces of dust, ice, and rock along its path. The Earth also travels around the sun. Sometimes, Earth passes through a trail of these tiny pieces left behind by a comet. When those pieces enter Earth's atmosphere at very high speed, they heat up and glow. And that's when we see a bright streak of light across the night sky. We call it a shooting star. But wait, is a shooting star really a star? And what happens when one of those tiny pieces from a comet enters Earth's atmosphere? Let's find out next.